The G1X Mark III's headline feature is undoubtedly its sensor. Canon says that the 24.2-megapixel APS-C CMOS is similar to that used in its popular EOS-80D DSLR, offering a sensitivity range of ISO 100 to 25,600. The firm's Dual Pixel CMOS AF technology is on board for on-chip phase detection, which means autofocus is impressively quick. The sensor is coupled with Canon's latest Digic 7 processor, which enables EOS-like image processing features such as auto-lighting optimizer for balancing difficult illumination conditions, and diffraction compensation for sharper-looking images when shooting at small apertures. Continuous shooting specs are decent, at 7 fps with autofocus between frames, or 9 fps with the focus fixed at the start of a burst. Buffering is also quite respectable, with 24 JPEG or 19 RAW frames recordable before the camera slows down. While this is no match for the ultra-quick Sony RX100V's 24 fps, given the relatively short lens, I don't think many potential buyers will be terribly concerned.